Hi, here and Meenakshi. Welcome you all to my channel Mathemax. Today we are going to see determinants and some problem using determinant. Determinant of matrices. Outline determinant of 2 by 2 matrices, determinant of 3 by 3 matrices, properties of determinants, singular and non-singular matrices, problems. At the end, what you should learn. Using determinants to find the areas of the triangles, using determinants to decide whether points are collinear. Then what is the definition of determinant? Determinant is the numerical value of the square matrix. So to every square matrix, capital A equal to Aij of order n. We can associate a number, real or complex, called determinant of the square matrix, which is denoted by determinant A. Note. Read this as determinant A, not absolute value of A. Determinant gives the numerical value, but matrix do not give numerical value. A determinant always has an equal number of rows and columns. Already we said determinant is the numerical value of the square matrix. In a square matrix, both rows and columns are equal. That is only square matrix of determinants, DTA or determinant A. Then determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Consider a 2 by 2 matrix. If A equal to A11, A12, A21, 22, these are the entries of the 2 by 2 matrix. The determinant of the matrix A is the number. We can multiply A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12. Otherwise, we can write A12 into A21. And it is noted by DETA or determinant of A. The determinant of the matrix A is also denoted by determinant A equal to determinant of A11, A12, A21, 22. Consider the 3 by 3 matrix A equal to A11, 12, 13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. The determinant of the above matrix is a scalar is given by, we can write, first we take A11 is outside and leave this row and this column. Remaining we can write in the form of determinant A22, 23, 32, 33. Then minus A12. Then we can leave this row and this column A11, A2, 21, 23, 31, 33. Then next term is plus A13, A21, 22, 31, 32. The alternative signs, we put the alternative signs. Then determinant A equal to A11, A22, 33 into minus A22 into A33 minus A23 into 32 or A32 into 23 minus like this. A2133 minus A3123 plus A13, A2132 minus A3123. Some properties of determinants. A determinant is an unaltered. A determinant is unaltered if the corresponding rows and columns are interchanged. If each determinant of a row and column are multiplied by a constant, the value of the determinant is multiplied by the same constant. If two rows or columns of a determinant are interchanged, the sign of the determinant is changed. If two rows or columns are identical, the value of the determinant is 0. The determinant of a diagonal matrix is equal to the product of the element in the diagonal. The determinant of the product of two matrices is equal to the product of the determinant of the two matrices. That is, this is the determinant. The determinant of the product of two matrices A, B is equal to the determinant of the two matrices, determinant A into determinant B. Then what is singular and non-singular matrix? Singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be singular if its determinant value is 0. When we said a square matrix, when we said the square matrix is a determinant matrix, the determinant value is 0. For example, consider A equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4, 6. These are the entries A 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Already we know the formulas. Substitute the values for determinant A equal to, substitute all the values A11, A21, 22, 33. Substitute all values. Here 1. Then first we take 1 outside. Leave this row and this column. The remaining determinant 1, 4, 4, 6. Then first, next we take minus 2. Leave this row and this column. We take 3, 2, 4, 6. 3, 2, 4, 6. Next one is we take 3 outside. We leave this row and this column. 3, 1, 2, 4. Through 4. Then we multiply 1 outside, 1 into 6 is 6, minus 4 into 4 minus 16, minus 2 outside, 3 into 6 18, 2 into 4 minus 8, 3 into 4 12, minus 2 into 1 2. Then 6 minus 10 is 6 minus 16 is minus 10, 18 minus 8 is 10, 12 minus 2 is 10. So we simplify, we get 0. A is a singular matrix. Therefore, a square matrix A is said to be singular if its determined value is 0. Either it is a 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrices. Then non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be non-singular if its determined value is not equal to 0. The same method we do for this problem also. A equal to 213, 231, 112. We get the same method, we get the answer is 4, which is the determined value is not equal to 0. Therefore, the determined is a non-singular. The given matrix is a non-singular matrix. Some problems. Find the determinant of the square matrix. A equal to 2, 4, 3, 5. Solution. The determinant A is noted by determinant A. Determinant A equal to A 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 2. We take this matrix, we multiply 2 into 5, 10, minus 3 into 4, we get the answer minus 2. If the determined value of A is 1 4 2x equal to 5, then find x. The determinant is noted by determinant A. We can write and substitute. We take this value of the determinant 1 4 2x equal to 5. We multiply 1 into x is x, minus 2 into 4 minus 8 equal to 5. We take this minus 8 on right side. This is change into plus, x equal to 13. Find the determinant of the matrix. The same method, this problem also. Okay, we get the answer 49. Then one more problem. Find the determinant of the matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. This is a practice problem. Find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Then another method of finding the determinant of the matrix. Find the determinant of A 4 2 6 minus 1 minus 4 5 3 7 2. This is the step. Rewrite the first two columns of the matrix. First we write this matrix and rewrite the first two columns. 4 minus 1 3 2 minus 4 7. Then multiply diagonally downward and diagonally upwards. What is this? Is diagonally downward multiply. Diagonally downward, diagonally upward. This is diagonally downward. 4 into minus 4 into 2. 4 into minus 4 into 2. Then 2 into 5 into 3. 4 into minus 4 into 2 minus 32. 2 into 5 into 3 minus 30. 6 into minus 1 into 7. 6 into minus 1 into 7 minus 42. Like this, multiply upward, diagonally upward. 3 into minus 4 into 6 minus 72. 7 into 5 into 4 140. 2 into minus 1 into 2 minus 4. Then step 3, add the downward numbers together. Add the downward numbers. Downward number is minus 32 plus 30 plus this number. Minus 42, we can get minus 44. Then step 4, add the upward numbers together. Upward number means minus 72 plus 140 plus minus 4. This is 64. Step 5, subtract the upward sum from the downward sum to get the determinant. Subtract the upward from the downward. This is upward. From the downward, we can subtract upward. Therefore, minus 44 minus 64 equal to minus 108. The next problem, we take the same problem. Same problem for another method also. Here the answer is minus 25. I did the same for problem. I take the same problem for another method also. The answer is, finally we get the answer is minus 5. The answer is minus 25. The answer is same. First read at the first two columns. First two columns rewrite again and multiply diagonally downward and diagonally upward. That means diagonally 2 into 1 into 4, 8. 3 into 2 into 3, 18. 1 into 4 into 0, 0. 3 into 1 into 1, 3. 0 into 2 into 2, 0. 4 into 4 into 3, 48. Add the downward numbers together. 8 plus 18 plus 0, 26. Add the upward numbers together. 3 plus 0 plus 48 is 51. Subtract the upward sum from the downward sum from to get the determinant. Subtract the upward, then subtract 51 from 26. We can write it 26 minus 51 equal to minus 25. What is the conclusion? All identity matrices are scalar matrix. All scalar matrices are diagonal matrix. All diagonal matrices are a square matrix. Thank you so much. Keep watching my channel, subscribe and like. Thank you so much.